Hi, Hayden here, and this video is going to be part of the Creators Helping Creators series that I'm making. And in this one here, I want to talk about the statistics or the analytics about like one particular video. And for me, on the screen you're seeing right here, right now, this is in YouTube Studio. We're in the analytical section, analytics, and this is the overview page right here. And in my top videos down below here, top videos in the last 28 days, the #1 video is removing melamine, the plastic stuff, on cabinets. If I scroll down a little bit over here, in the last 48 hours, that same video is doing quite well with 229 views. That's better than 5 of my most recent videos combined, all right? There's a 2-year-old video doing better than newer videos combined, all right? So that's kind of an interesting thing. And I guess part of my point here would be is, you know, if things aren't moving rapidly for you, that's okay, you know, and I'll show you why. Let me just demonstrate it with this video. Now, you can go in and see more than the top 5. If you click on the See More button, let's go ahead and do that. And you can sort it out by views, right? And in the last 28 days, now these are the top 5 videos. These are the ones you see on that main screen. So the screen we were just on, these are the ones you see. And then here's more videos. If you have more than 5 videos, right? These are the other ones you see. I have like 500 videos or getting there. And I have the top 50 will show up. So the top 50 videos in the last 28 days will show up, and it'll give you the top 50 for whatever period of time you select, and even if you select a custom range. You know, you don't have to select some period until today. You can select, well, how was this in March of 2017, 2018, 2016? Now, you can check it out that way, or you can check out the last 3 months, the last 2 years, stuff like that, right? So you can do all those different things with that. So if you wanted to check out all these other videos. Now, I don't have to go back to where we were, because I could have clicked right here and said, see the analytical information for that video. But I'm going to go back anyway, so I'm like really not confusing about it. So let's go back to our main page, right? This is the overview. This is YouTube Studio, overview, and the top videos page. So what I want to look at, and for here, all you have to do is click on a video. Now it's going to take you to the analytical information specifically for that video. So it looks the same, but it's not. It's only for this one individual video, right? Now, this is the last 28 days. So this may or may not give you any information at all. It might give you good information if it's a brand new video, right? Because kind of you want to see how it's performing and stuff like that. But for me, this video, and it tells you right here, updated when it was updated, but it doesn't tell you right here quickly and easily. I don't see it. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't see it right here. But I can find out when it was uploaded by looking at the lifetime stats. Over here on 20 May 2017, that's when I uploaded this video. Now, if I was really counting, you know, my bread and butter on this first group of video things for a while, right, for first up until, you know, and it kind of dies off a little bit, up until July. So May, June, July, for the first 2 months, I got really nothing going on. And not a whole lot going on through the rest of 2017, right? However, only recently, this video started, you know, it always did well. If we look at this here, it kind of did well for me financially wise because I was monetized before the 4K 1K, and then this blank zone is the 4K 1K, and it started picking up right where it left off, right? So it was doing okay. It was doing the same on the back end, and it started doing better in 2019, all right? This video, for the life of the video so far, has made $61.13. That's awesome. Picked up 109 subscribers. Thank you all very much for joining the network. 25.1 thousand views and 77.4 thousand watch time minutes. That's fantastic. Let's do a little math here and say 4,000. Let's divide that by 60 and see how many hours. We got 1,219 hours, or 1,290 hours. Nice, right? So that's pretty good for one video, right? It's a 7-minute video. So anyways, but it didn't start out so strong, all right? But it got better over time. And these are the kind of videos that I like to make. I call them evergreen, meaning that, and this video here, I mean, removing this cabinet stuff from the cabinet door, I don't see this changing for decades, right? I mean, they're still gonna have something that you can pop off of your cabinet door, right? So I imagine that this video is gonna be viable. I mean, you got people growing up who aren't home buyers yet, right? They go buy their home, they want to go make some changes, they don't want to spend a whole lot of money on getting new cabinets. Here's a relatively inexpensive way to fix that, right? And to get your cabinets the way you want them and do it yourself, save a fortune. So anyways, but those are the kind of videos I like to make. If you're doing a trendy kind of video, where time is of the essence and it's kind of like a news right now kind of thing, like a newspaper or a TV news channel or whatever, this is the kind of graph you would expect to see. You know, kind of picks up real high and drops off over time, the opposite of this one here, right? But for me, these are the kind of trends that I see in my videos. They don't do very well because there was no audience really. And then over time, they'll pick up and then people will share the information. That's what they do. People share and it's great. And they'll share that information with other people and you help grow. All right. So the other thing to do is just have a lot of videos. And the more videos to make, the better you get at it. So that's pretty much what I wanted to share with everybody today. But that's a quick way to find some statistics on your individual videos. If you're looking at your videos and you're like, why are these videos doing so good? Well, that's information for you to know, for you to learn about. And that's what the analytics are all about. You see the ones in the last 48 hours. Do these match up with the ones in the last 28 days? And if you want to see more, then you can open up that chart, right? And you can look and you can change it by any parameter that you want. And you can also look at it in different ways, all right? So that information is available to you right there. And I didn't want to go into too much information, just a little bit to kind of give us a taste of what's going on and what we can see to kind of help us understand how our channel is going and how we keep on growing. All right. So with that, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel because it's real important for my growth on the network. And don't forget to make that comment below. Let me know you came by to say hi. All right. And then that's going to wrap it up for this one. Until I catch you in the next video, take care and be well.